Are you ready to level up your DevOps skills and stand out in the tech industry? The Certified Argo Project Associate, or CAPA, is your gateway to mastering workflow automation and becoming a sought-after professional. CAPA is a globally recognized certification offered by the Linux Foundation. It validates your expertise in managing Argo workflows, Argo CD, and other tools in the Argo ecosystem. By earning this certification, you prove your ability to handle complex containerized applications efficiently, a skill that employers highly value. Preparing for CAPA can be challenging, but mock exams are the secret weapon to success. They help you understand the exam format, identify weak areas, and build confidence. Our course offers 6 full-length mock exams with over 800 multiple-choice questions designed to simulate the real test environment. Now, let's talk about Argo itself. Argo is a cutting-edge open source tool for workflow automation and application deployment in Kubernetes environments. It's scalable, cloud native, and increasingly essential in modern DevOps. By getting certified, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're showcasing your commitment to staying ahead in the tech industry. Certifications like CAPA give you credibility, make you stand out in job applications, and open doors to high-paying opportunities. Ready to start your CAPA journey? Click the link in the description below to access our comprehensive training course. Use the promo code in the description of the video to get an exclusive discount. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates and tutorials. See you in the next video.